Hello Snail Mail Friends, welcome to another how-to video of snailmailfriends.com. In this video I'm going to explain to you the hide swap. In the first video I showed you how to send a reminder for one of our incoming swaps. After that reminder you have the option to hide the swap. So let us go to Swap Tracker, all incoming swaps, and we have our YouTube test swap, still 15% completed, read more. And here you can see the new button, Hide Swap. You have sent them a private message, maybe more, but still no feedback about your swap. And sometimes it's better to just hide the swap from your active list because it might not come in. Hiding the swap will not remove the swap. Very important. So when you choose to hide the swap, you get a reminder what will happen. It will be invisible from your incoming list. You can still mark it as received if you do get it. And you can keep your list clear. The hide swap function also has a consequence because if you do so, this action will lead to a fail to send +1 note on the sender's profile. So when you go to their profile and go to the details, you will see fail to send +1 or +2, +3. I don't hope so, but you can see how many fail to send. And these are actually fail to send, so never shipped out. So if you click the yes, I'm sure, and the blue hide swap button, it will be cleared from your active incoming swaps. Unfortunately, on my personal account, I have some inactive swaps, and I'll show you what it would look like if you actually hidden some of the swaps. Of course, I won't do it on the Snail Mail Friends account because that's a test account, and that would be a mean and unnecessary fail to send. So we go to Swap Tracker, all incoming swaps. This page shows all your active incoming swaps. When you've hidden the swap, you will have a new section called View Inactive Swaps. And when you go to the inactive swaps, you have a list of all the ones you have hidden. When you receive one of those swaps, simply go to your swap tracker, register receive swap, and enter the swap ID, and you can leave your rating. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to having you join us for another how-to video soon. Have a happy snail mail day. Bye.